Are you looking to shed those extra pounds around your midsection? Look no further than the power of smoothies. By incorporating nutrient-packed ingredients into your daily routine, you can create delicious smoothies that will help you lose belly fat fast. The key to a successful belly fat-burning smoothie is to combine ingredients that are high in fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Start by adding a leafy green base like spinach or kale, which are rich in vitamins and minerals. Next, add some fruits like berries and bananas for sweetness and fiber. Don't forget to include a source of protein like Greek yogurt or protein powder to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Finally, add a liquid like almond milk or coconut water to help blend everything together smoothly. Blend it all up and enjoy your belly fat burning smoothie as a meal replacement or snack throughout the day. So why wait? Start incorporating these delicious smoothies into your daily routine and watch the belly fat melt away. Cheers to a healthier you.